Hello everyone, welcome back to Dentist to Be. I'm your dentist. Today we are going to learn how to fabricate a finger spring. Finger springs are used for the mesodistal movement of the teeth when they are in correct buccolingual alignment. Here we are using 0.6 mm round stainless steel wire for the fabrication of finger spring. Turn the one end of the wire as you are seeing in the video so that the sharp end of our wire will not hurt the patient. The parts of finger spring include an active arm which is about 12 to 15 mm in length, then a helix of 3 mm diameter, and finally the retentive arm. Now place the one end of the wire on the label surface of your central incisor like this and mark a point at the junction of central and lateral incisors. Now hold the wire at the marking and give a right angle bend like this. Here I am trying to bend the long arm of the wire so that it will nicely adapt in between the central and lateral incisors. Place the active arm in the middle third of the tooth and then mark a point as you can see in the video. Now using the rounded tip of the universal plier, give a bend like this. Place the active arm in the correct position and check for the adaptation of finger spring. Now mark a point on the active arm at a length of 12 to 15 mm coinciding the long axis of the tooth. Here you can see the long axis drawn on the central incisor and how the helix is coinciding with the long axis. Now hold the wire at the marking and give a helix. While giving helix, turn the wire away from the midline. While giving the helix, hold the wire firmly with your plier. Now bend the wire like this so that the wire will end as a retentive terminal. Here you can see our finger spring is almost completed, and do minor corrections wherever required. The finger springs can be fabricated on any of the incisors. Here I fabricated one on the right central incisor. Here you can see the picture of a finger spring that is fabricated on the left central incisor. You can have a look for the idea how it will be on the left central incisor. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, do like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Dentist to Be. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.